Do you want to learn PowerShell? Well, here's 7 best PowerShell courses online, free plus paid. First course, Mastering PowerShell from Beginner to Advanced Level by Udemy. This course lays out a step-by-step approach to learn PowerShell from basics. Topics covered are background and evolution, installation, knowing tools, PowerShell variables, operators, PowerShell pipelines, PowerShell arrays, hash tables, if-else statement, FOREACH loop in action, while loop, do loop, for loop, PowerShell functions, error handling, PowerShell remoting. You will get to understand PowerShell components, you will get to know the purpose of PowerShell, you will know the PowerShell arrays and pipelines, you will study different PowerShell loops, you will learn PowerShell operators in detail. The course is for IT professionals who want to enhance their skill set. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Second course, PowerShell Advanced by Udemy. This course provides you a chance to learn the advanced concepts of PowerShell. Topics covered are versions and history, net framework, PowerShell properties, PowerShell methods, PowerShell functions, CMDlets, end projects, final thoughts, appendix. You will learn next-level PowerShell scripting, you will be able to install PowerShell and related applications, you will study all about net, you will learn key terminology of PowerShell, you will get to know functions and features of PowerShell. The course is for anyone who want to improve their knowledge of PowerShell. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Third course, PowerShell, Step by Step by Udemy. This course gives you a complete guide to learn every single concept of PowerShell in depth. Topics covered are lab setup, PowerShell version, PowerShell applications, PowerShell parameters, alias, pipeline, PowerShell transcripts, hash tables and arrays, operators, KIM, variables, profile scripts, script constructs, PowerShell modules, PowerShell removing, ChatGPT. You will study the principles of PowerShell, you will get to know the services and processes of PowerShell, you will be able to use PowerShell pipelines, you will study about parameters and operators, you will learn about PowerShell remoting. The course is for all of you wanting to gain understanding of PowerShell. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fourth course, Introduction to Windows PowerShell 5.1 by Udemy. This course focuses on giving you foundational knowledge of Windows PowerShell 5.1. Topics covered are Windows PowerShell basics, finding commands, getting help, command syntax, pipeline, objects and properties, PowerShell providers, PowerShell loops, PowerShell arrays and variables, functions, conditional statements, Active Directory IT Lab, Basic Domain Administration, DSE crash course. You will be able to install as well as update Windows PowerShell, you will understand PowerShell syntax, you will study properties and methods, you will get to know ISE, you will learn administrating Active Directory. The course is for anybody interested in PowerShell administration. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fifth course, Windows PowerShell Bootcamp by Udemy. This course will instruct you about all the basic and advanced terminology of PowerShell. Topics covered are intermediate skills, advanced functions, Active Directory using PowerShell. You will gain understanding of main PowerShell terms, you will get to know PowerShell syntax, you will learn all intermediate skills, you will be able to do error handling in PowerShell, you will learn advanced functions of PowerShell. The course is for beginners wanting to craft their PowerShell techniques. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Sixth course, Mastering Windows PowerShell by Alison, free course. This course will teach you to operate Windows PowerShell right from the beginning. Topics covered are PowerShell basics, variables, arrays, operators, flow control, loops, remoting. You will learn both basic and advanced concepts, you will know the features of Windows PowerShell, you will study PowerShell remoting, you will get to know the PowerShell modules, you will learn operators and loops of PowerShell. The course is for everyone wanting to learn PowerShell for free. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. If you want to learn Active Directory, click on I button. Seventh course, Learn PowerShell in less than 2 hours by YouTube, free course. This course teaches you all the domains of PowerShell in a very short time. It helps you to grasp the skills in no time. Topics covered are PowerShell, Open PowerShell ISE, PowerShell script, coding comments, CMDlets, parameters, modules, pipeline, variables, object properties, arrays, hash tables, switch statements, loops, custom functions, error handling, Active Directory. You will learn major concepts of PowerShell, you will be able to do error handling, you will study all about CMDlets, you will get to know PowerShell variables, you will learn to collect user inputs. The course is for everyone looking out for a free tutorial to learn PowerShell. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box, subscribe and click on bell icon so you can get updated more on online courses. Thanks for watching.